Eiléson Aanan, an Australian legend hockey player, is the head coach of the Chinese women's hockey team. From early March to the end of April, Aanan led the Chinese women's hockey team to train in Perth, Australia, to prepare for the upcoming Paris Olympic Games.
Our goal is to win a medal. We would really like to go to the Olympics and make a podium place. So get onto the podium and win a medal. Well, of course, we are striving to win the gold medal. Every team, I think, who participates in the Olympic Games strives to win the gold medal.
As a player, Aanan won 2 Olympic gold medals with the Australian team. As a coach, she led the Dutch women's team to a silver medal in Rio and a gold medal in Tokyo. In May 2022, Aanan began coaching Chinese women's hockey team.
So it's been a wonderful experience. Coaching this team has been very good for me as a coach to learn and experience different styles of how to approach athletes. This team works very, very hard, consistently looking for areas to improve on. Have grown incredibly in the last 2 years in their game knowledge, in the type of play that the speed of our play has increased incredibly. We've become very competitive, and I think that this team has, in the last 2 years, become a very resilient team.
在球员有很多经验，当教练也有很多经验，所以他把这些经验拿过来以后，来去帮助中国国家队。所以说现在不光是对运动员的提高，是对于我们从事曲棍球的教练来讲，也受益匪浅。